Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to manually approve tags on Instagram using the PC app, especially after the latest update. If you want more control over what appears on your profile, this setting is definitely worth turning on. Let's get straight into it. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're inside your account, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all your account controls and privacy options. Now that you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Tags and Mentions. Click on it to open more options related to how people can tag you. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Manually Approve Tags. Click on that. This is the key setting that allows you to decide which tagged posts appear on your profile. Once you're in, you'll see the option to enable tag approval. Turn on the toggle for manual approval. This means that whenever someone tags you in a post, it won't automatically show up on your profile anymore.